2012 Young Bird team. First time let out. Got a team of 33 this year. So what I have, I just send 11 birds to the Triple Crown in California. Looking good. I have a couple up on the roof already. I had a couple on the tree. This is the inside of the loft. Too many secrets for these guys. I can't show you too much because they will all want to learn. A little dirty in the loft now. I don't worry too much about the loft being dirty at this time. That's my number one pair right there. That's the parents. Parents to 457. Right there. That's my buddy Rocky. My Chico. And that's about it for now.